Hi everyone, today's video is a bit random, but I just thought that I would show you the Disney Monopoly pop-up edition. I've actually had this for years, but I thought I would show you it because I still love it. I think I've had this for about 10 years, so none of the new cartoons are on it, and as you can see here, it is mostly just classic Disney characters. One of my favourite things is that the money has Scrooge McDuck on it. Instead of houses and hotels, you get cottages and castles. Instead of community chest and chance cards, you get magic moments and showtime, and all of these cards are also Disney themed. The pieces are also Disney themed. This is Mowgli from the Jungle Book, Snow White, Pinocchio, Lady and the Tramp, Peter Pan, and Dumbo. This is actually my favourite piece. I always try and go Dumbo if nobody else picks it. The Disney pop-up version also has its own special Disney rules, so you use this gold tinkerbell in order to collect special rewards. This is the board with the pop-up castle in the middle. As I said, the Disney pop-up version has its own special rules, so sometimes instead of getting sent to jail, you'll be sent to the castle veranda. Also, if you land on what would normally be a train station, you can take your next move and move to any other mode of transport on the board. You don't have to go round in a square. If you land on a property that tinkerbell's on, she'll either pay your rent or you get the property for free. Let me know in the comment section what your favourite version of Monopoly is, and let me know what you think of the Disney pop-up version. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!